Hey, what's up, Team Eddie Gray here. Listen, I want to show you this really interesting way of creating bass lines, essentially doing it with your mouth. Okay, we all know that there are various ways to do this in the market, and I just discovered one and I just wanted to share it with you. Something called Auto-Tune EFX, part of the subscription model. I'm pretty sure you can buy it a la carte. And, I started running through some of these presets, and I found this one that's pretty gnarly. And I want you to check this out real quick, okay? Hold on one sec. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start recording with it on, and we'll just do a couple takes, and we'll see what it sounds like. All right, here we go. Yeah. So anyway, a pretty cool way to go ahead and create something new for yourself. And of course, with take folders, we just kind of pick a little bit everything, see what works here. Let me listen back. All right, team. Hey, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're enjoying all the content. We've got so much more coming up here at Resources for the Modern Creative. Hey, if you guys want a new free course, I want you to check out hfmusicacademy.com. I just put out a wonderful compression course. If you've ever had trouble thinking or learning it, listen, this is the best in the world. I promise you. Go ahead and check that out, hfmusicacademy.com. Wishing you guys a great week. We will talk soon. Take care of yourselves.